Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the unboxing of the HTC U11 Plus. Let's begin. And welcome back guys, and yes, U11 Plus, not U12 Plus, U11 Plus. Super duper late. Is it even worth it? Is it even worth the effort and all of that? I don't know. Anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. And on the front of the box is U11 Plus. Going on to the back and I see a list of specifications for the phone. On opening up the box, I see a few items including the U11 Plus itself. First is the SIM tray removal tool, a cleaning cloth, shit ton of documentation, even more documentation, USB-C to 3.5mm cable, charger, USB Type-C earphones, charging cable, extra ear tips, and the phone itself with its very shiny fingerprinty back. Now the display here is a 6-inch 1440p full view display with a 18:9 aspect ratio. The front camera is the 8-megapixel f2.0 camera, and going on to the back is a single 12-megapixel f1.7 camera. For quick specifications, it comes with a Snapdragon 835 as well as 6GB of RAM. And something I like about the HTC U11 Plus is the feel of the buttons. It has this distinct feel to it. I also like the fact that the edge squeeze feature is still present here. Now I got the U11 Plus super duper late. And just like the U11, which I got late, it's really unfortunate because I really love HTC phones. But you know, I think I got this like 2-3 weeks ago, but I've like all the stuff, all the backlog I already had down. I'm just getting to it now, and like they just literally announced the U12 Plus yesterday, so I'm not really sure if this is worth it or not. I don't know. I mean, please can you leave comments as to if you think, what content do you think I should make with this. A huge shout out to the HTC folks. Thank you for still lending us this unit even though it's late. Yeah, so what do you think? I'm actually looking forward to the U12 Plus as well. But yeah, what videos do you want me to make about the U11 Plus while I still have it? Please let me know in the comment section down there below. And that's basically been it for this video. Very quick one. Hope you're doing awesome. Take care of your wonderful, awesome, amazing self. If you've not already, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos here. And if I catch you in the next video, don't forget to be awesome. Bye.